please introduce yourself?
Yes, definitely. So my name is Prakash, and I am from Odisha state. And by profession, I am working in a private college as a clerk. And as far as my hobbies are concerned, then I like playing cricket. I like watching English news, and I love interacting with the people with the help of this Skype application. So this is all
Okay.
about, yes.
Okay, very nice. Good to know about you.
Okay.
You have a very nice passion to connect with different people. Yeah,
Okay.
so my name is Pooja Saxena and I
Okay.
hail from Lucknow, the capital city of Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
I have completed Masters in Economics and B.Ed.
Okay.
And these days I am learning this language because
Mm-hmm.
it's my passion. So
Okay.
in order to enhance my spoken skills, I have created a channel. The name is Flourish with Pooja, in which I am uploading my conversational videos and some English related solo videos. So it's all
Okay.
about me.
Okay, that's fantastic. Sounds great. And since how long have you been posting this kind of videos on your YouTube channel?
It's above than 1 year
Above
since
than
I
one.
have been posting, but I'm
Okay.
not very much regular on my channel as I
Mhm.
have a lot of work and a lot of responsibilities. So that
Okay.
it's just for fun and just for learning purpose.
Mhm.
I upload my conversational videos.
Mhm, mhm. Okay, you know that also I was posting videos on my YouTube channel. I do have a YouTube channel as well. But these days, due to my hectic schedule, I am not able to upload any single video on my YouTube channel. But in
Yes.
earlier days, I used to upload videos on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, same here. In
Hmm.
starting, I used to upload almost daily or any alternate days. But
Hmm.
now there are a lot of responsibilities and work, and
Okay.
especially editing takes a lot of time. So
Hmm.
it becomes very difficult to get time for uploading the videos. So
Okay.
approx I think 6 months I haven't been uploaded any video except solo videos.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. So, like you said, that this is your passion for enhancing your communication skills, spoken English. So, can I know something little bit about this language? That, like, how did this idea come to your mind that I should create a YouTube channel and I will post videos on my YouTube channel? So, how did this idea come to your mind to have a YouTube channel?
Well, actually, since my childhood, I have been passionate about learning this language, but at
Okay.
that time, I didn't get environment. But
Mm-hmm.
now my children are grown up and I have some leisure time, so
Okay.
that I thought I should fulfill my dream to speak in English. So
Okay.
before 1 year,
Mm-hmm.
I started practicing of speaking English.
Mm.
And while practicing, I went through many conversational videos.
Mm.
So this idea sprang in my mind that I should also create a channel so that I could talk with many different people and it will
Mm.
enhance my confidence. So this idea led me to create a channel.
Okay, that's fantastic. And also, there are so many questions I do have for asking you. So, first question is that, like I have already told you one question, ask you. In order to learn this language, suppose
Yes,
someone wants to learn this language, but he or she doesn't have atmosphere for learning this
yes,
language. I would say that he is or she is living in village. Okay.
yeah.
So, in order to learn this language, which kind of method he or she inculcate to learn this language? Like which kind of method, if he or she will use, then he or she will improve this language.
Yeah, it is very good question, and
Hmm.
whoever will watch this video will
Okay.
get a lot of benefit and information. So,
Hmm.
as I mentioned that I also have passion to learn this language, but
Okay.
I don't have any buddy to speak with.
Hmm.
I don't have anybody except my daughters.
Okay.
Now they are grown up. They are well versed in English, so I
Mm-hmm.
can speak with them. Otherwise, there is nobody.
Okay.
So what I did, I started speaking with myself and
Hmm.
with my daughters. And when
Okay.
they are not at home, so I
Mm-hmm.
started speaking with myself. I
Okay.
started watching videos. Whatever I am watching in English.
Okay.
I have to keep this thing in mind that I have to immerse myself in English.
Okay.
If you want to learn any skill,
Mm-hmm.
and whatever I am reading, I read in English. It is not important that if you don't have any kind of surrounding of English in your
Mm-hmm.
surrounding, so
Okay.
you can't learn. It is not like that. You
Okay.
must have seen many learners on YouTube. They
Hmm.
belong to village
Okay.
and they are speaking well. So how did it happen?
Mm-hmm.
Because they have a strong passion, a strong desire, first of all, and they tried hard. They put their efforts very hardly, and because of them, the consequences is that they are able to speak.
Okay.
So anybody can speak if they have the strong desire. So, first of all, if you don't have anybody in your surrounding to speak with in English, so try to speak with yourself. Take any topic, describe it, whatever work you are doing, try to speak about that work. Just like if I talk about myself, if I am in kitchen and I am making any sabzi or chapati, so
Hmm.
just I start speaking the recipe in
Okay.
English to myself.
Hmm.
And sometimes when you are free, try to question to yourself, what am I doing?
Okay.
Where am I going? And
Hmm.
try to answer to yourself. So
Okay.
this is the best method
Mm-hmm.
to help in English. This is the very best method. And I developed speaking skills in me
Okay.
only in these methods. I didn't pay any single penny outside or any institution to learn this language.
Okay. Okay, okay, that's fantastic because it totally depends upon you that if you have a strong dedication and determination, then definitely you will be able to speak this language.
Yeah,
And yeah, and if someone is living in village area, then there is no need to worry about that I can't speak this language because these days we do have a plenty or ample of facility. Like if you will use your smartphone, then
yeah.
definitely it will be easy for you to learn this language. Yes.
Smartphone is your best companion. Yeah,
Mhm. Okay. Yes. Because if you will watch so many videos on YouTube channel, then also these videos will help you out in order to improve your English. Because let me tell you something about me that how did I learn this language? Because also I'm living in village area, so I did
yeah,
not have friend when I started learning this language. So
yeah.
I was struggling a lot to improve this language, but I did not give up because I had a strong desire that I would learn this language anyhow. Okay. So I was over the moon about this language. So I was practicing each and every single day without fail, at least 15 minutes, 10 minutes, even 1 hour. Okay. And there are so many applications are there on Play Store. If you want to use any application, then also it will be good for your spoken English and like Skype, yeah, Skype application like we are using, and as fluency. So there are so many applications are available on Play Store. So if you have strong dedication, then
Yeah.
definitely it will be easy.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
yes.
first condition is that you must
Huh.
have strong dedication. And
Strong dedication.
secondly, if you have your smartphone, then there is no need to go anywhere. You can learn anything while sitting
Okay.
at home. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. And one more question I would love to ask you that, like most of the people, they are thinking about that without using grammar, we can't speak this language. Okay. But according to me, there is no need to think about it that grammar is important for spoken English or not, because we have been listening our mother tongue since our childhood. Even we don't have
Yes,
proper idea about what is the grammar of our mother tongue. Still, we are fluent in our mother tongue. So grammar is
yeah.
not important. But I want to know from your side that what do you think about it? Grammar is important or not?
Yes. Actually, it is true that
Hmm.
grammar is not important because we learned our mother tongue without learning any grammar. When we
Okay.
were our siblings or parents were speaking our mother tongue and just
Hmm.
we listened and learned. But
Okay.
as English, English
Hmm.
is not our language. English is foreign language. When we learned mother tongue, so we were listening in our surroundings, our mother tongue. But we
Okay.
are not listening English all the
Hmm.
time. We are not
Okay.
listening. So
Hmm.
it is very difficult in this way. So,
Hmm.
in my views, basic grammar is necessary if we know the basic rules and then we try to speak simultaneously. We try to speak and we try to immerse ourselves in English, like because we will not get any kind of environment. We live in
Hmm.
India. It is very difficult to get environment. We need to create our own environment. Whatever you are watching, try to watch in English. Whatever you are reading, try to read in English. Try to make friends if possible. Otherwise, try to speak yourself with yourself. Uh, Everything you have to do in English as much as possible. So I think if we have the knowledge of basic grammar, so we will make less mistakes and we will comprehend everything in a better way.
Hmm. Okay.
I also learned basic grammar first, but I would say if any
Yes. 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 Yes.
learner thinks that I will learn grammar first and then I will start speaking, so this idea is vain. Just learn grammar and at the same time try to
Okay.
implement those grammar rules and try to speak simultaneously.
Hmm.
Gradually,
Hmm.
you will remove your mistakes.
Okay. Mhm. Okay, okay. It doesn't matter that if you will make mistake or not, because if you will not make mistake, then you will not be able to speak this language. So making a mistake is okay in beginning
Yeah,
stage.
yeah,
Yes.
it's okay. We all make
Mm-hmm.
mistakes. Actually, we make mistakes in our mother
Okay.
tongue too, but we don't
Yes.
notice. When we make mistakes in English, then we notice. So it
Okay.
happens. Mistakes are the teacher. By mistakes, we can learn more. Mistakes
Okay.
are the ladder to
Mm-hmm.
go up in this language.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. And whoever is thinking about grammar, then also I want to tell to them that grammar is not important, but basic grammar is important. I have already mentioned so many times on my YouTube channel that why grammar is important. Even in this video, also through your YouTube channel, also I will tell to them, whoever is watching to your YouTube channel,
Yeah,
that basic grammar is important because why?
it's
Suppose,
important.
yeah, if you are having conversation with someone and you want to convey your thoughts, like you want to speak about your past or future or present, something like that.
Yeah,
Okay, what did happen yesterday, something like that. You want to tell to him or her about your yesterday activities, something like that.
yes,
Okay, so if you don't have idea about past tense and if you will not use these kind of things, then like the person with whom you are having conversation, he or she will not understand that you are talking about past, future, or present, something. Okay. So that is why basic grammar is important, not advanced grammar.
it is not the knowledge of tenses is very important.
Yes.
Yes.
Mhm. Yeah, if you want to ask me something, then please ask.
What steps are you taking to learn this language?
Okay.
Because you mentioned you live
So,
in village. So what steps are you taking?
yes. Okay. So according to my perception, yes, there are so many things. If you will inculcate in your day-to-day life, then it will be easy for you to improve this language, because first of all you have to listen more and more English related contents video. Whoever is willing to improve this language, first of all they have to listen more and more English related contents video, like storytelling videos, English story, each and every single day. And storytelling will be easy for them because it is easy going to understand all the things,
Yes.
like storytelling videos. And second thing is that record your video, I would say that, because if you will speak in front of the mirror, you have listened so many times that if you will stand in front of the mirror and if you will practice in this way, then it will be helpful. I think it will not be helpful. Why? Because of at the same time there will be no one who will correct you. But
Yes.
if you will record your video, and after recording the video, you will figure out yourself that which kind of mistake did you make, something like that. Okay. So
Yeah.
it is the best way to improve your uh,
Yes.
spoken English. At the same time, you will evaluate your mistake, you will correct your mistake. So
Yeah.
recording the video and every single day will be great tip. I would say that.
It is the
Even,
great.
yeah, if you don't have topic, then you will use your day-to-day activities, that
Yeah.
what did
Clear.
you do yesterday, like something like that. Okay, even you will create fake story. So many things.
Yes.
And yeah, and also you will use application. I have already told you that one application name is S Fluency. So
Yes.
it is free of cost application, and there are so many application are also available on Play Store. So if you use this kind of things, then definitely it will be a piece of cake, I would say that. Like, but
Yes.
most of people, they are thinking about English is really very complicated language. No, it is really very simple. If you
Very
want
simple.
to improve this language, then you can.
Yeah.
Yes. So whoever is watching your video, then definitely I will suggest to them that first of all you have to have a great dedication towards this language, and they have to think that this language will be easy for me. Then definitely it will be easy for them.
When we have a passion to do something,
Hmm.
the task becomes easy.
Easy. Yes. Yes.
It
For sure.
was very nice meeting.
Okay.
Okay. Bye
Thank
bye.